MCQs on management. Question number 101. The process of sharing authority by superior to subordinate is delegation. Line organization is also called military organization. The framework within which managerial and operating tasks are performed is called organizing structure. 104 dash dash is the obligation of subordinate to properly perform the assigned duty responsibility. Option B is the right answer. Responsibility. 105 identify identity the odd identify the odd one from the following: notice, memos, orders, complaints. Obviously complaints. Option D is the answer. Question number 106. First step in organizing is division of work. Option D. Which among the following is true for formal organization? To fulfill the firm's goal. Dash dash is the managerial function of guiding, nursing, and leading people to the attainment of objectives. Direction. Which among the following is not an element of direction? Organizing. Which among the following statement relating to leadership is false? Leadership is bossism. Option C. Which type of leader allows complete delegation of authority? Laissez faire leaders. Which among the following is not a quality for leader? Lazy attitude. Under which style of leadership the leader completely delegate the authority to the subordinates? Authoritarian leadership. Option D. Which among the following is not a style of greed in the managerial grid by Blake and Moulton? Innovation management. Which leadership theory suggests that leaders are born, not made? Great man theory. Option C is the right answer. Which among the following is a characteristics of motivation? Internal feeling. Which among the following is not in the five types of needs proposed by Maslow? Psychological needs. Which theory explains that there are two separate factors influence motivation? Herzberg's hygiene theory. Which among the following is not a type of budget? Information budget. Option B is the answer. Dash 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 is the point at which there is no profit or no loss. break even point. The heart of management is directing. Which among the following is not an element of direction? Delegation. The motivation theory, which classifies need in hierarchical order, is developed by Abraham Maslow. Which of the following is a financial incentive? Stock incentive. Which of the following is not an element of communication? Communication. Grapevine is informal communication. The highest level need in the need hierarchy of Abraham Maslow, self actualization need. Option C is the answer. Ability of a leader to look things from others point of view is empathy. Empathy. Find the odd one out. Supervision. Leadership style which takes decisions with subordinate is laissez-faire leadership. An effective control system helps to accomplish organizational objectives, boost employees' morale, judges accuracy of standards. The answer is all of the above. Controlling function of management is forward looking as well as backward looking. Option C is the answer. Management audit is a technique to keep check on the performance of management of the company. Budgetary control requires the preparation of budget. Who introduced Quality Circle in its present form in 1962? Dr. Ishikawa. Option B is the answer. 135. The employee problem solving group to improve product quality is known as Quality Circle. The senior official responsible for facilitating and guiding QC activities in his area is known as facilitator. What is the full form of TQM? Total Quality Management. Which among the following is not a technique of TQM? Quality measurement. Dash dash is known as rethinking and redesigning of the core business process. Business process re-engineering. Which among the following is not an element of Kaizen? Individual work. Which among the following is not an area of Kaizen activity? Delivery. Well governing groups of workers who voluntarily meet regularly is quality circle. Defects free product creates by obviously Six Sigma. The fundamental rethinking and radical design of business process. Six Sigma. Total quality management focus on customer satisfaction. The employees who take up Six Sigma implementation are called green belts. 146. Dash dash is a voluntary group of persons having a common cause. Quality circle. Expand TQM. Total quality management. 148. Dash dash is fundamental rethinking and redesign of business. Business process reengineering. Dash dash is a set of techniques and tools for improving the capability of business process. Six Sigma. Expand CTQ. CTQ. Critical to quality is the answer. Option A is the answer for CTQ. So in this video we have covered 50 questions again. If you like, please share to your friends. Thank you very much for watching this video.